Good day world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today we are going to be looking at these two marvelous things. They are Remington Insignia series, or the Sportsman series, and a beautiful wood bull. Okay, now actually I made the video yesterday. So in the video, they're not nicely waxed like I'm doing now, and I'm using my pickle wax. I love this stuff. Anyways, I'm just waxing them a bit, and then we're going to be looking at these knives, but not just looking at them. It's one of those long ones where we go and we visit my parents, and then we will be looking at the knives over there. I was actually working this morning, today now. Yes, it sounds like a bad time traveling warp. But anyway, we'll be looking at these two. We'll be looking at some other things. And we took the daisies, the air guns, not airsoft, you know, like those normal, daisies, those little round pellet ball shooting guns. And it was a fun time we had at my parents' place. So if you want to follow along, please do. Okay, we're here at my father's place. Well, you can't see anything, but it's back there. Ooh, here we go. Okay, so I'm testing these guys outside today, and we have the Daisy, and we're playing with that. We're also playing with this one, made in Taiwan something. Kom hier reg. Close. Okay, and there's the problem right there. Shooting with nothing. Okay, fully loaded. And Rome was not built in a day. But at least the foliage is getting scared. Okay, real fire. And, well, it's gas, but I suppose it's still real fire. Nice. Okay, now we have like a full-on firing squad over here. Okay, my mother is now collecting, or I don't know, saving coins for the kids. So 5 rands, 2 rands in 5 variations, 6 variations, 1 rand. All of these are new ones from post 94, except I think the old 1 cent. But yes, we go through a lot of variations in coins, and they're worth nothing. But anyway, it's cool. Grandma's rock. Okay, I'm here at the Old Braai area. Let's find a spot. I think right here. And then I want to show you two knives. Okay, I was gifted these two knives by Carl. Okay, Sportsman Series by Remington. But look at the bill. The wood bill handles. The stainless steel bolsters. They are made in China, but they are wonderful. Okay, that's the Stockman. This is the canoe. Once I have one more hand, I'll show you. But I love the wood. Stainlessness. These are marvelous. And smooth as silk. Really, really nicely made ones. Okay, let me open them and show you. Okay, so let's look at this one first. Stockman's, we have a nice clip blade. It says Insignia Edition. Nice sheep's foot blade, nice spay. Straight nail neck. Well, when I say straight nail neck, I mean just a normal nail neck. No match strikes or things. And then it says stainless China. Wonderful action, no half stops, but nice. Not a crazy hard pull, but it's wonderful. I like the shields. Same thing, we have our little pen blade. We have our big drop point. It's not completely a spear blade, but close. Remington Insignia Series. And on the back, stainless China, unfortunately. But still, marvelous, marvelous knife. I really like this, but the covers on these things are amazing. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, 1,500 bullets later and 2 gas canisters for the other one. And they are still going. Still going. Okay, these things have been chopping and I am pretty much done with all of this now. I'll show you the videos on these machetes when we get to that. So, going home.